What's up, folks? As I said, I would be back. I'm here to do NitroSpeed's Exposed Engine Challenge. Start off with, I'm a black and gray kind of guy, so this is one of my favorite gassers of the 55 John Chases. Freaking love it. This here is a Roll Rider I've had since I was a kid. A little bit of an exposed engine, sticking up a little bit. I don't know what kind. It's a Dodge something or other. I don't know. I've just had it for a long time. High raker. And we have the SS Express Roll Rider series. Very, very nice. Not necessarily my favorite paint job on it, though. Don't mind them, you know, maybe doing a little Hot Wheels somewhere here and there, but it's plastered on the side. Still cool as hell, though. Don't take me wrong. Next up is a Nitty Gritty Kitty. This is from 9th Annual Collectors Nationals. Great car. Liking it. So I have it. This is one of my all-time favorite castings. Roger Dodger. Hopefully they never quit producing them. I hate the fact that they changed the motor. So now it's at just a little weak motor. I mean, hell, we were kids. We didn't chew on the motors. Ain't no one getting... Well, this day and age, everybody's so goddamn sue happy. It's unbelievable, so... Alright, I believe this is a Camaro. Very cool. This here is a King Cuda. Very, very, very cool. This here is a Firebird. Come on, focus, you prick. Yeah, maybe one day, if I ever become good enough, I may be restored. Maybe not, though. Who knows? Only time will tell. This here, my dad scored for me. This is the Rodson. Blocking the light. Sorry, folks. Exposed engine up in there. Pretty cool. And this is out of the Pop Culture set. The first one was released for I don't know, whatever magazine it was for. Didn't care about the magazine, just wanted a car. The last one I'm going to show is a quad. Suzuki Quad Racer. Can't see the other side because it's on a card still. But open engine. Or exposed engine, I should say. But anyway, I'm not going to take any more of your time. As I said before in the last video, have a good day. Relax. Do whatever it is you're doing. Stay well. And later.